Hey friends, welcome back to SoftGPT. What if you could direct a full cinematic scene? Without a camera, without actors, without a crew. Just one prompt. Today, I tried exactly that, using Seedance 2.0, now inside Artlist. And honestly, this felt less like using AI and more like directing a film. Because instead of just generating random clips, you're actually making decisions like framing, motion, and continuity. And that's where things start to feel different. First shot. Alright, let's actually build something. I'm starting with a simple idea. A cinematic street scene at night. A man walking under neon lights. Now normally, this would just generate a random clip. But instead of stopping there, I'm adding a reference image. So now I'm not just describing the scene. I'm defining how it should start. It's prompt. Use @image 1 as opening frame, slow, cinematic zoom. Now let's generate this. And look at this. The video doesn't just resemble the idea, it actually begins from the exact frame I gave. The composition is controlled, the lighting is preserved, and the camera slowly pushes in. Just like a real cinematic opening shot. This already feels different. It's not guessing anymore, it's following direction. And that's the key shift here. Adding camera motion. Now I want more control because right now, the scene looks good, but I want the camera to behave in a very specific way. So instead of hoping the AI gets it right, I'm going to guide it. This time, I'm adding a video reference. Prompt. Follow subject with smooth tracking shot like at video 1. Generate again. Now watch the difference. Before, it was just a slow push. Now listen, the camera is actually following the subject. It moves naturally. It keeps the subject framed, and it feels like a real tracking shot you'd see in a film. This is where it really clicks. You're not just typing prompts anymore. You're giving direction. You're telling the AI how to shoot, not just what to show. And that's a huge difference. Cinematic continuity. Let's take it further, because one good shot is nice, but real storytelling needs continuity. So I want to continue this exact scene without breaking the look. Same character, same lighting, same mood. Prompt. Continue the same character. Walking. Turn into a darker alley. Maintain lighting and style. Generate. Now, watch this carefully. The character doesn't change. The outfit stays the same. Want the lighting transitions naturally, and the scene flows like it was always part of the same shot. No sudden resets, no weird face changes, no different environment. You can also add multiple assets like a character image, a background scene, a motion reference, or prompts. Editing control. Now let's take it a step further. Instead of changing something, let's extend the scene and swap the character. Prompt. Continue scene forward with camera pulling back and swap the character. Now watch how this plays out. It swaps the character and the camera slowly pulls back, revealing more of the environment. The scene breathes a bit more. You're not stuck with one result. You can direct, adjust, and evolve the scene. Seedance 2.0 is now live on Artlist, and it's honestly one of the most complete AI video tools right now, because this isn't just about generating clips anymore. It's about having full creative control, from your first frame to camera movement to continuity to editing. Everything happens in one place, and more importantly, it actually works together. You're not jumping between tools. You're building your entire scene inside a single workflow. So if you've ever wanted to create cinematic videos but didn't have the gear, the team, or the time, this might be the closest thing to that experience. Because now, all it really takes is an idea and a prompt. If you want to try this for yourself, go try Seedance 2.0 on Artlist and start creating like a real director. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.